Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're gonna go over how to properly train the calves. When it comes to the seated calf raise, we're gonna go over the setup, how to perform this exercise, and how many sets and reps you should be doing to get the most out of this exercise. So let's throw your fitness. When it comes to the calf muscle, most people think of the gastrocnemius, which is the muscle that lies most superficial in that anatomy, but the calf also consists of the soleus, which lies under the gastrocnemius, and also the plantaris, which lies between the gastrocnemius and soleus. Now, all three muscles do plantar flexion, which is basically just raising your heel off the ground. But when you sit down during the seated calf raise with your legs bent 90 degrees, you're mostly going to target the soleus muscle. Now, when it comes to the setup, you want to make sure those pads are nice and snug on those quads. The front part of your foot is on the platform while the heel is off that platform, so that way you can explode up when you're performing this exercise. You want to make sure those toes are pointing forward as well. When it comes to performing this exercise, you want to make sure you have your heel as low as possible to start off with. You're going to explode up, raise that heel as much as you can, stop, and then slowly come back down, lower your heel as much as possible, and stop there. You want to make sure that you're not going back and forth where you're basically pumping those calves. You want to make sure that momentum is not being used whatsoever. The saying goes, you want to make sure that you're moving the weight, or the muscles moving the weight, and not the weight moving you. And when it comes to sets and reps, I recommend 4 sets, 15 reps each, with progressive overload by increasing the amount of weight after each set. And this exercise is really good because it's able to target more of the soleus muscle, which lies again under the gastrocnemius. When you target that soleus muscle and it gets bigger, it's going to push on that gastrocnemius, making your calves look a lot bigger and fuller. And then when you do other calf exercises with, for example, straight leg calf raises, you'll target more of the gastrocnemius, which is going to make your overall calf muscle look even bigger. And let me know in the comments below if you're going to try this exercise. And if you're getting value, please subscribe, turn on that bell, leave a comment down below, because here on this channel, we try to empower people at home and nutrition and at the gym with the goal of building muscle. So if you like that, subscribe. And always remember to make mirrors your canvas, waste your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished.